Hey everybody, so let's do another guess what's in that box video, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. And it's from Home Depot and it's red, so please stick around. See you there. Hey everybody, alright, so this is going to be another guess what's in the box video. Let's see if I can put you guys up here on top of the toolbox and drop in wine bottles. See if I don't even know if you guys can see up there. Yeah, you guys can see it. Alright. So I'm going to give you the measurements of the box. The box is 40 inches and 3/8 of an inch long or tall. The width of the box is 5 inches and 3/4 of an inch. And the width of the box is 11 3/4 of an inch wide. It is a red tool. It is in a type of attachment. I keep kicking them wine bottles. I don't know why. Freaking wine bottles. Now, hopefully I'm far enough away you can't read the label. Haha. But we'll be doing an unboxing of this on a different video. But I just wanted to, play this game again. And, the game's kind of fun. It gives you guys, makes you guys interactive on the channel. And to me, it's entertaining. I like doing the videos. They're very short videos. They're not like 30-40 minutes long. They're not, these huge informational videos that some people just don't want to watch. I figured, hey, 2 or 3 minute short little guess what this is video. It's not a big deal. The item is red. I'm sure you guys can figure it out from that guess. It's a very tall item. And I appreciate you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for sticking around. Peace.
Yeah.